Hi, and welcome to this episode of He's Crafty, where today we're going to make this awesome
I love it.
thing.
I love it. Fantastic. This is awesome.
I'm glad you like it a lot, bro.
Oh,
Maybe
no.
you just-
No, this is beautiful, man. I absolutely love it. Everything about it, I love. You've outdone yourself. This is great.
All right, well, we're going to start making it. What do you think? Let's
Oh,
just
yeah.
He's crafty.
I've seen you sprout your legs inside my mind. I've seen McCready torch that ass 1,000 times. I sometimes see you creep outside my door. Hola, is it me you're creeping for? I could see it in your four eyes. I could see it in your crooked smile. To be your host is what I've wanted. Your 6 arms are open wide, 'cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I want to tell you so much. I love you. I long to see you mutate that dude's head and tell you time and time again how dope that is. Sometimes I feel my head will just explode. Hola, is it me you're creeping for? 'Cause I wonder where you are. Who's inside you turned to goo? Did you get to that dude, child? And now you'll get McCready too. Won't you clone my foolish heart? For I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you. Hola, is it me you're creeping for? I can see it in your four eyes. I can see it in your crooked smile. To be your host is all I wanted. Your 6 arms are open wide. Won't you clone my foolish heart? 'Cause I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying
Let's recap. I started out this project with this skull, mainly for its jawbone and teeth, so that's why I removed all of it. I then moved on to our foam head and I carved out its lower jaw, so that when I put the jaw from the skull, it wouldn't stick out too much. Painted a base layer of black for some depth. Then I moved on to this flesh tone modeling clay to start making his face. These eyeballs I got at deadheadprops.com. So this was my attempt to make some skin for this thing using unflavored gelatin, glycerin, water, and like a concealer. So you had a half a cup of gelatin, half a cup of water, quarter of a cup of glycerin. Then we're gonna microwave it 10 seconds at a time for about 4 times. I added in a little fake blood to give it kind of a red fleshy look. I then moved on to his legs, which I used 1/2-inch PVC pipe. Once I got it in the spots where I wanted it, I spray foamed it into place. Let's not forget your other eye, bro. I then got some black duct tape and I taped the seams, the joints where his legs angle down. You won't be able to see any of this once we're done doing this step, which is applying spray foam all over the legs. The only way to get this looking right is you gotta get dirty. Make sure you double up on them gloves so you don't get spray foam all over your hands. We're now gonna move to his cute little alien eyes that pop out of the top. I used a wire hanger, some foam crafting balls, and a couple more eyeballs from Deadhead Props. Once I got them in the spot that I wanted, I got some more modeling clay and just kind of formed this as all one big section. I then went over the top of it with some more spray foam. Gonna add 1 layer of black paint on the legs, and then I mixed some sun-kissed peach with some more flesh tone concealer. I ended up covering over the skin I made with the gelatin because my kid came up to me and said, "Is his head melting?" And that just wasn't the look we were going for. This is another product from Deadhead Props called Bloodbath. Paint it on your props and it dries glossy, looks awesome. I highly recommend it. I then got this 80s street wig because what the hell is that? It was the closest thing I could find to this dude's hair. Got it all hot glued on top of his head, and here's the finished product. Well, that about wraps it up for this episode of He's Come on, bro.
He's crafting.